It's Friday evening and you just withdrew money from your bank for the weekend. Before heading home, you decide to stop at the local grocery store to pick up a few items. As the cashier finishes ringing up your items, you hand him or her the cash, but suddenly the cashier stops. The cashier begins to handle the bill very carefully and calls over the store manager. They begin to talk silently, but as the store manager walks away and makes a suspicious phone call. While on the phone, the store manager is steadily describing your description to the police. The cashier informs you that they are unable to take the bill and the police are on their way. You panic and begin to question. Why? What is wrong with the bill? Why are the police on their way? The police arrive and the cashier walks away with your bill. You then are stuck with no items and a series of questions from the police. You never would have suspected that you would receive a counterfeit bill from your financial institution. I myself have experienced receiving and removing counterfeit bills from circulation while working at Sandy Spring Bank and CQ Credit Union of Maryland, two financial institutions located in Maryland. With the economy at an all-time low, people are producing counterfeit money, and in order to prevent obtaining counterfeit currency, we need to observe a real bill's appearance, security features, and its texture. Today I am going to inform you on how to describe if a bill is real by observing a Series 2004 $20 bill's appearance, security features, and its texture. Now I'm going to hand everyone a Series 2004 $20 bill. The Series 2004 just represents the year the bill was redesigned. First, we are going to describe the appearances. As stated by the secretservice.gov, the most frequently counterfeited bill in the United States is the $20 bill. And like I said, Series 2004 just represents the year the bill was redesigned. First, we're going to discuss the portrait. If you look on the front, there's a portrait of former President Andrew Jackson. The portrait is off-centered, and as you can see, Andrew Jackson's eyes are shifted to the right. Next, we're going to discuss the serial number. On a Series 2004 $20 bill, there are two serial numbers located in the top left and bottom right of the bill. Each serial number begins with a letter. According to secretservice.gov, the letter represents the series in which the bill was made. Letter E represents Series 2004. So E is the beginning letter. Next, if you turn over to the back of the bill, you notice that there are some faint golden $20 signs. There are several dozen of these, and these are another appearance feature of our Series 2004 $20 bill. Now that we have observed a Series 2020 bill, let's take a look at the bill's security features. So security features can only be visible when you tilt or hold the bill up to the light. The first security feature is called color shifting ink. And according to the secretservice.gov, the color shifting ink turns from copper to green. The color shifting ink is located in the bottom right-hand corner and is represented by a $20 copper sign. When you tilt or shift the bill, you'll notice that the bill turns from copper to green. That is distinguishing the color shifting ink. Next, we're going to talk about the security thread. Each bill has a security thread that can be seen on both sides. So when you're holding the bill front or back, you can see the security thread. The security thread is located on the left side of the bill. When you hold it up to the light, you'll see a green strip that says USA 20, and that represents the security thread. According to the Encyclopedia of Major Marketing Campaign, the security thread is a strip that is embedded into the bill. It represents the spelled out denomination of the bill and is a green light. In this case, USA 20 is represented. Next, we're going to discuss the watermark. Each Series 2004 $20 bill has a watermark located on the right side of the bill. When you hold it up to the light, you'll see a picture just like the off-center portrait of Andrew Jackson. And again, this can be seen from the front or back side of the bill. Again, it's located on the right side. We have now observed the Series 2004 $20 bill's appearance and security features. It is now time to distinguish the bill's texture. The texture of a bill is very precise. At first, it represents the type of paper. Each Series 2004 $20 bill has a specific type of paper, and according to the secretservice.gov, the paper is made of 25% linen and 75% cotton. That's the paper's texture. It also has red and blue fibers. These red and blue fibers can be seen from the naked eye, but they are faint. And they're located, if you look at the bill, you notice there's a blue one right there, as well as right there. They're all over the page. And these fibers are also embedded into the paper, and if you actually took a really tiny pin, you could take these red and blue fibers out. That also shows the authenticity of the bill. Next, we're going to talk about durability. Every bill that goes into circulation must go through a durability test. The durability test, as according to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, each bill gets crumpled, folded, dipped in acid, gasoline, and laundry products to determine its durability. It must pass this durability test to be put on circulation. Today I have informed you on how to distinguish the authenticity of a bill by observing the appearance, security features, and its texture. I hope now you will be able to distinguish the authenticity of a bill by observing its appearance, security features, and its texture. Remember the man I told you about in the beginning of the speech? He was a victim of receiving a counterfeit bill from, of all places, his financial institution. Imagine how he felt when he received that bill and could not return it. According to the Encyclopedia of Marketing, Major Marketing Campaign, there are approximately $261 billion of counterfeit money in circulation as of today. I hope now you'll be able to identify if a bill is real.